Barakatuhu. Takbir. What a beautiful, beautiful occasion. جميلا. أنا سميرة قوتك تماوس 15 سنة في جدة سفاري في الرياض سفاري أبي may tubuo. Shوية. Konting Arabic po, 15 years in Saudi Arabia. Pinanganak ako sa isang ama na 40 years nagtrabaho po sa Jeddah and Riyadh. Ang aking ina, naging directress po ng Philippine School in Jeddah. Mabruk! Tanto napakaganda in Maranao. I was saying that the beauty of the Arabic language stems from it being a civilizational language. Lingwahe po ito ng mga naunang tao, beyond also yung mga naunang mga lingwahe. At ang importansya nito sa oras ng krisis, sabi ng ating senador, ay magpreparado. Kun fayakun, was it that the word? Be and it will be. And to act, not only in faith, but in action. Hasana, quality of life, be lived with the Quran as a message for Christians, for Muslims, for Jews. Pinagbabawal natin ang mga biolente. Pinagbabawal terorismo. Pinagbabawal ang pagmamarites. Pinagbabawal ang kasamaan because the Holy Quran is the 5 pillars and the goodness that is. So with this, our senator reminds us to localize, to save, to prepare for the crisis, to always also network para sa ating mga madrasa request. Pasensya na po, hindi namin Ma'am Je, everyone, ma-accommodate. Kaya po Ma'am, binigay yung 100 million pesos na proposal and hopefully na-approve yata po naman ng Senado at Kongreso ang 100 million for madrasa and Muslim festivities. I think Ma'am, yes po, Ma'am Heidi said, totoo yun. Sana DBM is releasing it to the 13 regions. Palawan, I know na you have a request sa amin. Sa Palawan, yung mga madrasa ninyo, diretso na ninyo kayo sa NCMF Regional Director. Hakim, I had to announce that because ang daming sulat na dumarating. So again, congratulations to all the winners. Mabuhay kayo. Keep on reciting, sharing, and being an ambassador of the Arabic language. Mabuhay Takbir. Secretary, congratulations. And to all regional directors and ASICs. Mabuhay kayo.